I can't hear you, Mark.
Yeah, heated wipers, you can produce smoke off of the windshield.
Yeah, I mean, these wipers need to be heated.
I don't know of any car that heats its windshield wipers.
I think they came out with a car a while ago that didn't have any windshield wipers at all of them.
Yeah, I'm being much more careful in this car. I don't trust. Yeah, the windshields are glistening.
Really, look at Billy's car. Wow.
This is not a slow car. We now know that. I got too many groceries. My back will fall down the down
the
icy
snow's
slope.
just kind of sparkly.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
I expect to be able to get back up again one time when the
Sure, at least, no problem.
This is the first snow of 1996, right?
No, we had snow before y'all went up.
96, yeah.
Oh, 96. Yeah. I was thinking winter, but yeah.
This is cool. Why don't we call it snow?
Huh?
Powder.